Metro North Commuter Railroad Scherzer one little bridge. Now it's two Scherzer Bascule bridges. And formerly New York, New Haven, and Hartford Railroad. Across the Housatonic River located near Devon, Connecticut. See something? I don't see that. You see, look at that. Right? Now both bridges are lowered for train traffic is still in service, right? And so this is like when, now this bridge was built in 1905. Let's see, look at that right there, right? See the shanty right there? Yeah, so it was designed by the Scherzer Bridge Company. I'll show you something. See, look at the bridge right there, right? So this bridge is located near Devon, Connecticut, and still in service for train traffic and rail. So Metro North